I just got this airbrush. I got it from the company for free. I reached out to them and asked. But I'm really looking forward to using this. I was going to compare it to some other airbrushes, but I just wanted to show you guys what you got before I did that. So you obviously get a little instruction manual, but the two main reasons that I got this over some of those smaller portable ones that I've tried before is that it comes with its own air compressor, and then for the airbrush itself, there's then a line that you can use to connect the air compressor to the airbrush. And then the airbrush is a dual action trigger. So some of the cheaper portable ones will just go back, and this one you can push down and go back. So it gives you more control when you're spraying the paint. And then there's other stuff, you know, like a charger, a plug-in for the compressor, so different size holders for your paint, like this little kit with quite a few different cleaning tools, and then a couple different needles, and looks like a couple different sizes for the tip of the airbrush too, so that's nice. Yeah, that's more honestly than I would kind of expect, but I'm looking forward to using it, and hopefully it'll turn out good.